I'm the founder of www.optionsinfinity.com, which I believe is the very best option education website available today. We specialize in credit spreads. Credit spreads will bring in consistent monthly income to allow you to gain financial freedom, allowing me to do all the work because I'm going to send you alerts when I'm making a trade. In addition to that, I'm going to teach you exactly how I trade, and that's part of the package. On this chart, what I'm showing is my returns on margin since 2019 all the way up through July of this year. This was during a pretty interesting time period. We've had coronavirus we were dealing with. We've had Russia invading Ukraine. We've had a number of things going on, but you can see the kind of equity curve we've had, and that's the kind of equity curve that you can rely on month after month to bring you in passive income. You can see that on average, it brings in about 500% return on margin during that time period in a given year. I have to say past performances are no guarantee of future results. However, I've been doing this for a long time, and this is the average results that I get year after year after year. This is how I made my living. This is how I made my money. I want to mention that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. With credit spreads, you're not going to be hitting home runs. This is something where we're going to be playing small ball. We're going to be making consistent profits, but we're taking advantage of what the market's going to be giving us. We're only going to invest when we have an edge. A new member as of January 2019 would have earned $10,380 by July 2022. This is investing in only one contract per alert. One contract per alert. The membership is $99 a month. You can cancel at any time. If you don't like what I have to offer, we'll give you a refund. I mean, this is totally for you. This is what I'm doing at this point in my career. I think it's the best. However, it's not for everybody. Membership is $99 a month. So the cost of that membership during that time period would have been $2,970, and we would have brought in a net profit, which is this was the return minus this of $7,410 with one contract. Now, many members invest at least 10 contracts per alert, and that results in a net profit of close to 6 figures. So one of the things I'm going to be sending you are the alerts, but at the same time I'm going to be teaching you how to do this, so you're going to be earning while you're learning. My guarantee is that I'm going to teach you how professional trades and even send you alerts when I'm making a trade. However, with so many variables in the stock market, like bad fills, time delay from the time I send out the alert till the time you act, investing too much too soon, that's one of the big reasons why people fail. I can't guarantee your results. What I can guarantee is that I'm going to work hard for you, because the investment alerts that I send out are the ones that I'm taking. Options Infinity service is a monthly fee. It's recurring, so you can cancel at any time or request a refund. Again, no guarantee, but I'm going to be working hard for you. Here's just some testimonials. I've been doing this for greater than 11 years. These are just some of the people that I've worked with. I'm not going to go over everything, but I just want to maybe hit the highlights. Bill W., who's a retired minister, said the profits keep coming. This person spent a lot of money talking to a lot of people, and he says right there's a lot of charlatans out there, but you can trust Dale. What he knows is true. There's Leo and Lyndon. They're missionaries. They're already up 58%. My wife and I started Dale's program together 4 months ago. Our portfolio is already up 58%. Here's Martin S. He's an IT engineer. For the first time, I'm actually doing quite well. Feels really good. And just after 1 year of having Dale as my mentor, I've doubled my account. Here's Dorothy. She says she's a nurse anesthesiologist, brings in consistent profits month after month. There's Dr. John Ho. I said it's the best I've ever experienced, one of the best that I've ever experienced in my 10 years of trading. I feel really blessed to have found Dale. He's kind, patient, and tolerant, and exact qualities that I want in a good mentor. Here's all you do. You watch Dale trade, you listen to as he walks you through the logic of the trade, you learn and look at the indicators, and you see the profits come rolling in. Faith says it's super simple to do. Over the years, I've worked with many different investment services. I can honestly say that Dale Brethauer is the best I've ever seen. Just a couple more testimonials, and I'll just read the highlights here. Financially rewarding. Our account grew $13,000, just made 172%, profit above 100%, profit of $2,400 plus, profit of 172% in less than 2 days, up over 100%, 38.3% profitable trades, third in the row. These are just some of the myriad of testimonials I have in my office files. I'm going to continue to talk to you about how I do it, but if you want to get this training and get my alerts, remember, all you have to do is go to the website, www.optionsinfinity. And towards the end of this presentation, I'm going to be taking you there and show you what you can see. Now, let's talk a little bit about credit spreads. They're great returns when coupled with high probability expectations. Most of the credit spreads we put on have about an 80% chance of being a success. They yield monthly income on a consistent basis. Basically, what we're doing is we are sellers of premium. We're sellers of premium. Then we're going to buy one a little further out of the money to protect ourselves. The nice thing about credit spreads is you don't have to follow the market all the time. I usually check it in the morning, noontime sometime, and then I like to watch the closing. It's low anxiety. It's low anxiety, and we have some protection against losses. We're banking on the theta decay of options. We're trading out of the money options, and we are sellers, so we're looking for that theta decay rapidly in the last 30 days, and that money is the money that comes right into our bank accounts. We put on bull puts. It's a type of option strategy that's used when the investor expects a rise in the price of the underlying asset. So the operative word there is bull. It's a bull put. We're bullish on the trade, and we're selling puts. This is just an example of a put spread we got out on Google the other day. This shows you what I'm going to be sending you. Basically, you want to sell, and I'm going to be talking to you exactly what the option hit is here. It's the 14 April 2570 put, and this is roughly what the price is. You can see that this is the net credit, and usually we get out way before. You'll notice this was put on in March, and we got out 1 or 2 days later. 2 days later, we had this all the way for a month. So we bought it back. We bought it back for 85 cents because we had a big push up there. And I thought that's about as far as it might go for the time being. This returned $125 for one contract. Like I said, a lot of people go with 10 contracts, and this would have returned $12.50. 50 contracts, $62.50. You can see how lucrative this is, and it's very, very conservative. It's conservative trading. The other thing we could do is when the market is going down, and I've made as much money when the market goes down and when it goes up. And what we're doing there is it's a bullish strategy, or excuse me, a bearish strategy, where we are selling calls. It's a type of option strategy used when a decline in the price is expected. And this is just an example of a bear call spread on Hershey we made quite a while ago. The same thing is true. We sell the credit spread for net credit, and then we buy it back at some point, and we're looking at the difference between the two. The beauty of credit spreads is all you need to do is be right 3 out of 4 ways. 3 out of 4 ways. This is a credit spread we put on, and you'll notice that what we're doing is we're selling an option pretty far out of the money, and then we're buying one a little further out of the money for protection. Now, this is a bull put, so we're looking for the price to go up. That's a winner. If the price goes sideways, like this did, that's a winner. If it slightly goes down, but doesn't get close to our spread, that's a winner. The only way we're going to lose on this one is if it goes down rapidly into this zone. And I've got rules on when to exit well in advance of this. And I'll be sending you both the entry and the exit alerts, but also be teaching you how I get in and how I get out. When I get into a trade, I know exactly when I'm going to get out. Let me go over to Thinkers, or excuse me, Options Infinity right now. Let's see if I can do that. Let me end this, and hopefully this will work. Here's my Options Infinity. Oops, excuse me, that's Thinkorswim right there. That's Thinkorswim. Hold on with me for a second. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so let's go over and just take a look at the site. Let me move this for just a little bit. I want to get down here. The membership, save. Okay. So when you're a member, this is your home page. So you would come into the home page, and these are all the recorded live meetups that we have, and these are archived. You can go back into the archive and see as many as you want. It's also, we've got a section that's going to show you exactly what trades we have on now and which ones we've just recently got out of. I'm the only one in the industry that shows exactly when I get in, when I get out, and this, I've got this record for 11 years. You can go back in this record and see all the way back. I mean, here's the next button. Here's what it was, a month ago. Here's what it was 2 months ago, and you can see all the pluses in there. And that's what I do. That's what I do. You're also going to get some quick lessons, some trade walkthroughs, some ultimate guides. So there's quite a bit on your home page, and you'll have access to this along with all the videos I have on exactly how I trade. So you've got the alerts, you've got the webinars, and you have the alerts, the webinars, and what am I missing? Sorry about that. Okay, let me go back to the current screen I had on. Okay. Let me tell you a little bit about me. Probably don't care about me, but I've been doing this for a long time. I started out as an engineer with DuPont. I had 2 patents on Tyvek early in my career. And I don't know if you know about Tyvek, but when you drive through new housing developments, you see it all over the place. DuPont has made billions of dollars on Tyvek. I made the goose egg. Because day one, I signed my soul to the company store, which basically said anything you think about is ours. So they made $1 billion. They took good care of me. I had a good salary for a while, but I'm thinking, I went back for my MBA and I started trading in the stock market. So I got to do this for myself. I started trading in my late 30s. I've been a professional for greater than 4 decades. When I first started, I took a myriad of webinars, floor traders. I spent a lot of time really educating myself on what this is. I've had a stint as a hedge fund manager. I've spent thousands learning how to do this and how to be the best. And I've taught thousands of people, as you saw earlier, how to do what I do. So the last 11 years of my career, I've been teaching people what I do. And I'm not a person who teaches because I don't do. I'm teaching because I've done it. So what you're getting instant access to my 4 hours of training. That's what I forgot on the other slide. Instant access to 4 hours of training, how I trade. You get the alerts when I'm trading. You get every other week we have a members webinar, which is recorded. So that's a lot. And all you have to do right now is go to www.optionsinfinity, and when you go in and to this URL, right on the home page, it's going to be talking about what you can do to join. You scroll down and there's some more testimonials there, and what's the offering, and there's the sign in, or the buy now button, if you will, right there on the website. So I hope you enjoyed this little training video. There's a lot to learn while I'm sending out the signals and you're earning. So I hope you all join me. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Bye-bye now.